I'm going to show you the settlement breakdown for how I was able to put over $13,000 in my client's pocket when there was $25,000 in total that we could get for the case, and the client had over $50,000 in medical bills. So come check this out. As I just said, we settled this case for the total gross settlement of $25,000. That is the Arizona state minimum policy limits, meaning the least amount of money that someone needs to have in order to be legally driving around on the roadway. Our attorney's fee is 33.33% according to our contingency fee agreement, again, in writing from the offset of the case. So if you were to take $25,000, you were to divide that by 3, that is $8,333.33 in attorney's fee. Then we have a section for the advance cost, also in writing per contingency fee agreement, which says that if we were to take out this money out of our own pocket of the operating account and spend it towards obtaining evidence for our client's case, we were able to get that out of the total gross settlement. We spent $528.09 in obtaining evidence for our client's case, so we were able to pay ourselves back that money that we actually spent. Then we have another section called medical providers and lien holders. As you can see here, the original balances total to a little over $50,000. If you can see on the right column, the final balance is $0 because the health insurance Access paid for all these medical providers making these $0 balances. Now, what people don't generally understand is that Access is only entitled out of the settlement proceeds for what it actually paid for the accident-related treatment. So even though this bill is $50,205.91, Access actually paid $4,153.06, and the rest are write-offs, etc. So essentially, even though they're only getting a very, very small fraction out of their bill, Access cannot engage in balance billing, meaning even if they don't get the totality, this $50,000 back, and they only get $4,000, or in this case $2,000 back out of the settlement proceeds, they can't actually bill the patient for the amount outstanding above and beyond what they're actually going to get paid back out of this, in this case, $50,000. So we were able to reduce that $4,000 lien to $2,681.48. So if you were to take $25,000 minus $8,333.33 minus $528.09 minus $2,681.48, we were able to put in this client's pocket $13,457.10.